Future millionaires, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, we're driving this morning and I'm going to take you along a day in the life of a CEO, because today we're going to find one and we're going to bring you through the day in the life. So if that sounds interesting and something that you want to see, then just stick around and watch the rest of the video. This is Tyrone Wilson, the CEO of iCreate, which is a listed company on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So we had to rush to Kingston because this man starts his day at 7 a.m. And immediately as we got to the office, we thought we were going to have a chat before, but this man come out on his phone, laptop in hand, because meeting is already going on. So guess what? It's my time to shine, because I know every day I can sit down with a CEO and pick their brains. So I'm going to use this opportunity very well.
I got a lot of practice. So one of the major shareholders in iCreate is eMedia, which is a company I started first. Every day, big newspaper I read. Twitter was young, iPhone wasn't out.
Yeah.
Right? It was like
So
what you see today
Yeah.
didn't exist. We started that kind of push in Jamaica towards digital.
Yeah.
And then a few years later, Sagicor invested in me as a young entrepreneur, 25 years old, 24 going 25. Attracting investment is a combination of things. A lot of times it's really luck, being in the right place at the right time, but still having the fundamental things. What I did, my own blueprint, I did an advisory board. I experienced people guiding me, supporting me. Had my regular meetings, did my PR, put myself out there, and I was noticed. I remember going to a Christmas media party for a big brand. And I just start my thing. Show you how long ago. You know Cuddies?
I hear the name, I never not even been into Cuddies.
Okay, Cuddies in New Kingston. It doesn't exist anymore. I started by a great Courtney Walsh, Jamaican cricketer. And I go there and, I'm here for the function, and say, you're not on the list. And I say, okay. But I see somebody I know and I say, talk to him, maybe he can let me in. And I see when you go to him, I don't want to. And them time I drive all the way from Portmore.
Yeah.
Couldn't even afford gas sometimes. It was like one drive, Chance it.
You just have book money.
Because they're a billion network.
Yeah.
And he said, no, so I said, sorry sir, can't let you in. I'm going back, teary-eyed and everything, and I was determined to build my network, because if you're going to survive in business anywhere, you have to have a network.
Yeah.
You have to have a strong network where you can pull on when you need it. And I did that, and in doing these things, get the investment, eMedia, all of that, I wanted more. I never felt like that was it. So I started iCreate, and I felt like iCreate was $1 billion business. It was just in me. I was just like, eMedia was good enough. It was known, and I love it, and I put a lot of sweat and tears in it. But I felt like iCreate could give me a better platform if I allowed it to start by itself. It was still owned by eMedia, but start by itself, attract the right investment, go public, and it was always in my mind for iCreate to absorb eMedia. Yes. Which is what we're doing now. So we did that in a short time. We tested the product in 2017, we registered the company in 2018, and 2019 we were listed on the stock exchange.
Tyrone's routine is work first, then food after. So when we finish this iCreate meeting at 9 a.m., we jump on the road and we decide to head to AC Hotel because it's the perfect place to have meetings and also food. You get the best two in one there. So we're on our way to AC Hotel. So you know that this man a real Jamaican just based off what he ordered. He ordered some callaloo with some sawfish, then him have some food. And as Jamaican, you know so food mean ground provision. So yam, Irish, pumpkin. And now you have me, the little spoiled boy will come like some American. Ordered some pancake and some eggs. Trust me, next time I'm going to order the real Jamaican food, so don't burn me out. So the clock strike 11 a.m. and a special guest walked in, Randy Mattis. For those of you who don't know, Randy Mattis is the CEO of Vertical Creative, which is a company in the iCreate group. So he's the CEO for that, and he's also Tyrone's best friend. So we ask some questions, we mingle, we eat food, and we just enjoy ourselves, and we just vibe at the moment. Boy, I'm not gonna lie, we can't get used to the lifestyle. Yeah. The pool, the scenery, the food that come to you. Something nice, you know. But leave it in the comment section down below. Who do you want us to interview next? Which CEO, businesswoman, businessman that you want us or that you want to see on the channel? Because it's not every day I can see the ins and outs and the behind the scenes of what they actually do. So leave it down below. Tell us who you want us to interview next, because I don't mind this lifestyle, you know.
I think personally, I'm a team player. Whatever position I need to play at on any given day to ensure that the team wins, that's my thing. And I think it's the same for Tyrone. But it's just that because it's actually a team, you know, most people normally see him at the head of the team, but our team generally is flexible like that. You know what I mean? Everybody play their part and do whatever they need to do to make sure that the team wins.
The biggest challenge is opportunities. You know, opportunity for reach out now to like a man like me and get to sit down and say, oh, you know, I want to do this, I want to do that, and we can open up the doors for them too. You'd be surprised how myopic your views can be as somebody in the inner city just because you don't get to see it. You don't get to see the world.
Back in my days, the people were seen as being cool. We're not the entrepreneurs. It wasn't cool to be an entrepreneur. But yeah, you have to be an artist, an athlete, something like that. That's what was cool. But now you can look at the entrepreneur, can you follow him on IG, and I mean, I say, yo, this is cool. Outside of I wanted to actually run a business, because you have to actually want to run a business too. But you can see that the lifestyle matches with something that you would want to live as well.
At 2 p.m., we had a meeting with the Deputy CEO and COO of iCreate, Tony Cook. So I'm so sorry that I didn't get to do an interview with Tony because technology failed me. The battery died. So I just one of them things there. Probably next time we shoot around and we get around back to the iCreate office, we can have a little sit down and chat with Tony, but big up yourself. So Tyrone was invited to be a motivational speaker and also a mindset changer to the young men that were there.
I'd be in tourism.
Tourism.
For sure. Still plan to be in tourism. I will be in food distribution too.
Food distribution?
I'll be in food distribution.
Like a restaurant or delivery side?
No, like manufacturing and distribution.
Oh, okay.
Food. Next thing I'll be in is agriculture.
Agriculture. You hear that?
Yeah.
So
agriculture, manufacturing, and distribution, and tourism. Those are some key pillars for Jamaica. Traditional, but so important to a lot of things regarding us as Jamaicans. Foreign exchange rate, you know, prices, everything is so critical. If you can produce enough to feed your country and
helps
export.
with sustainability also.
Right, it helps with inflation, helps with a lot of things and so forth. Helps with the foreign exchange rate, all of that. Prices, inflation, same thing. But yeah, so that would be in those three. I think Jamaica have at least 5 billionaires that are under 40 that can reach on the Forbes list.
Yeah.
And definitely I think I'm one of them. Michael Leach already paved the way.
Yes, man.
For us at a long time ago. From I'm in high school, I hear about Michael Leach Forbes list, billionaire. Right? He already paved the way. We see how possible it is, and we're in a different era now. You know, it's not going to take 30, 40 years. It should take 10.
And just like that, the clock struck 5 p.m. and it was the end of the business day. Big up yourself, Tyrone. Thank you for taking us through the day in the life of an inner city CEO. Much respect, big up, and manners. But as always, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing, and subscribing to the channel. But if you really want to be a part of the Future Millionaires Club, then all you have to do is ring that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a video. As always, work hard, make money, and happy investing.